Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the coral quest in the new Fish It Roblox update. So as you know, Fish It just dropped a new update which includes new quests, and here there's a coral quest that you need to complete inside the crystal depths. Here I'm going to show you a guide to complete the quest. So first I'm going to show you how you can start the quest. So once you inside the crystal depths, you need to talk to Dorian in here and just choose coral quest. So you need to collect 30 colors and give to Dorian in here to get the coral lantern. So the coral actually cannot be fish, so you don't need to fish to get the corals, but you need to swim. So don't forget to put on your advanced diving gear and just dive here in the crystal depths, and you'll see this red corals lying around in the depth. So you can just pick it up one by one until you collect 30 corals and give them to Dorian. So as you guys see here, I just collect 16, so I need 14 more to complete the quest. So just explore the crystal depths and collect the corals to complete the quest. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.